This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning everyone, this is video number 19 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video, we are going to show one more function, substitute function. This function replaces old text with a new one. It takes three arguments. The first argument is a text. Second argument is a part you want to replace. Third argument is a new part. For example, here we have a list of panel boards names. All of them ending with this part -gr, as you can see right there. All of them ending with -gr. And your job is to replace -gr with -1. We can use substitute function for this. First argument is the text itself, which is in cell P4. Second argument is the old text, or the old part you want to replace, which is -gr. Third argument is a new text, which is -1. And here we are the result, pp-1 instead of pp-gr. Let's do it in Excel sheet. Here we go, this is our panel board list. And we want to change this part, the last part, -gr with -1. Equal, substitute, between two phrases, we give this text, we want to replace -gr. And the third argument is a new text, which is -1, between two quotations, and enter. Copy and paste, and here we go. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next one.